All right, back again. So got a Phillips head, and I'm gonna take this out. I already pre-loosened these a little bit, but I gotta take this bottom one out. Just put that over there. And up here, there's a little cap. Might need to take a little flathead screwdriver, pop that off. And once it's loose, you can pop it out, and that will reveal the other Phillips. And I'll try to get that guy. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Hopefully. I hear a lot of cracking going on back there. Sounds like the ice. Okay. Yep. So I can get that out. There we go. Now this thing, if I remember correctly, comes out from the bottom. Yeah, and then it hooks up. See, there's like a little tab in the top that goes down the back. And that's how it sits in there. So luckily, we didn't have to take that out, which is pretty bad looking. That little rust must be from all that ice. So take this, I'm going to move it to the side. My wife's going to be home soon. She's going to have a conniption when she sees that I got this fridge taken apart and it's a mess. So let me grab the blow dryer. Next thing we need to do is get this thing off. Gonna have to get a blow dryer in here and get this ice to melt back there. We don't want to, yeah, I can feel it's like a solid block of ice there. We do have 2 more screws here. Get those off. I don't even know if I can get this off. It's full inside the ice. Take those off, but pretty sure there's so much ice in there, it's not even gonna come off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this beach towel, put it underneath here, hit it with the blow dryer on a low setting because I don't want it to be too hot. Put these screws over here, and then yeah, we'll come back. Oh, maybe I can get this. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, definitely gotta hit that with the blow dryer, and then we'll try to get this puppy off. See what happens. Yeah, it's definitely frozen. So I'll be back.